Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I hope you all must be doing good. So, today I got the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, the 4G one, not the 5G and not the 5G NE. This is Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, the 4G. And recently I unlocked the bootloader of my mobile phone and I have flashed the official xiaomi.eu MIUI 13 ROM on my set Mi 11 Lite. And the version is 13.0.2. If you can see MIUI by xiaomi.eu 13.0.2 Mi 11 Lite, and if I go further tapping the all specification, just check it out. My mobile phone all specs Mi 11 Lite Snapdragon 732G and the Android version is 12. Now the point is, after flashing the MIUI 13 ROM 13.0.2, if I go further tapping the MIUI 13, the update already arrived. Tap the check for updates and I got the update of 13.0.4. Currently, I'm having 13.0.2, which is a very good ROM, very stable, without lag, without bugs. The ROM is working absolutely perfect. And now we got the update. Now, in case if you have a Mi 11 Lite 4G, you have unlocked the bootloader, you have flashed the MIUI xiaomi.eu MIUI 13 ROM 13.0.2, and now you must be having an update. You want to update your set from 13.0.2 to 13.0.4. How exactly we will do that? Watch the video with concentration, follow the steps, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, that is Tech Infomania. Click the bell icon, select all. Thank you, and also like the video and share it with others. Thank you for doing that. Now moving further to show how to update the ROM. Now we are not getting any custom recovery for Mi 11 Lite to work on Android version 12. So that is why the xiaomi.eu, they are providing and they are releasing the ROM currently so far in fast boot mode. Whenever we get the custom recovery, the xiaomi.eu developers will start releasing the ROM in recovery format. So what it will do then further, like the whenever we get an update, the set or the ROM will get update automatically the way it is supposed to be. But currently we are not having any custom recovery. So xiaomi.eu ROM is providing and is releasing the ROM in fast boot mode. We will still update the ROM without losing a data, but we need computer for this. Now moving further to show how to update the ROM. Now I will provide the link of the updated ROM, that is 13.0.4, into my video description. You can click the link and download the ROM. If you want to download the ROM on your mobile phone storage, you can simply click the link, download the ROM into your mobile phone, and after downloading the ROM, you need to transfer the ROM file to your computer hard drive. And in case if you want to download the ROM on your computer hard drive, simply go to description, click the link, and the ROM will start downloading. But if you want to download the ROM directly on your mobile phone, like tap the check for updates, the set will show the update is arrived 13.0.4. But if you tap the download button, it will show fetching download link, please wait, etc, etc. But this thing will not work. So you must go to description, click the link, then download the ROM. And now moving towards my computer screen. And before moving towards my computer screen, you don't need to save any data. This procedure of updating will not erase any internal storage data. Just check your mobile phone battery should be charged to maximum like 50 to 60 or 70%. And we also are getting Mi Dialer and Mi SMS application after flashing the xiaomi.eu ROM MIUI 13 and after updating the current ROM to the latest version. Now simply press the power key, then simply power off your mobile phone. Now coming towards my computer screen. So the link is provided in description and I have already downloaded the ROM. This is the ROM file. If you can see Mi 11 Lite 13.0.4. So after when you have downloaded the ROM, you must extract the ROM first. If you have already extracted the ROM file, then open the extracted folder and definitely you will see bunch of files here. Now moving towards my mobile phone screen, mobile phone must be power off. We need to boot the set into fast boot mode. For that, hold the cable in your right hand and check the other side of this cable must be connected with computer. Hold the set into left hand, hold the cable into right hand and set must be power off. Press and hold the volume down key, then connect the cable. Do not release the key until you see the fastboot screen. Me logo will appear and then the set will immediately boot into fastboot mode. Then you release the volume down key immediately. So the set is booted into fastboot mode. Coming back towards my computer screen, as we are having the earlier version of MIUI 13 xiaomi.eu 13.0.2 and we are updating the set 13.0.4, but we don't want to lose the data, so simply come down here. If you are using Windows, then simply double click the Windows Fastboot Update ROM, the batch file. Command window will open and the flashing procedure will start. Now all you have to do is to wait. Let the flashing complete, then we will continue. So the flashing is about to be end, and if you can see rebooting, the set will reboot and the flashing will get completed. Just check it out, and the command window is automatically closed. The set is rebooted and start booting into the updated version ROM. Simply disconnect the cable from mobile phone and we are done from computer. Now wait for it. Let the set to boot first time on your the updated version of MIUI 13 xiaomi.eu 13.0.4. Finally, first boot completed. After updating the ROM, unlocking the lock screen, and definitely set is asking for the code because my set is having all the data remains there. My data is not lost because I have updated the ROM. Will give the code to unlock the lock screen and all the data remains there. Now, if I go further, if I'm tap the settings and if I go further on my device, this time you will see the set got updated from 13.0.2 to 13.0.4, the xiaomi.eu MIUI 13. And if I go further, tapping the all specification, same Mi 11 Lite, Snapdragon 732G, Android version 12. So this is how to update Mi 11 Lite having xiaomi.eu MIUI 13 ROM without losing a data. I hope you got helped by this video, and still we got the Mi dialer and Mi SMS application and the data remains there. So do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in next video. Until then, goodbye.